Next, we have Laissez-faire Leadership. Leaders in this category take a hands-off approach, trusting their team members to manage their work independently. In the design phase of a project, our project manager Mike encourages his creative team to explore their ideas freely. He allows them the freedom to innovate while checking in occasionally to offer guidance and support. Next is situational leadership, where the leader changes their style based on the need of their team. Mike assesses team's experience and adapts its approach, providing clear directions for newcomers while working more collaboratively with experienced staff. Bureaucratic leadership. It is characterized by strict rules and procedures. This style is important in environments that require careful adherence to guidelines. As a project develops with strict regulations, Mike ensures that all team actions follow the necessary rules to avoid issues. Moving forward, we have authentic leadership, where the leader is genuine, self-aware, and values open communication. In instances like where Mike regularly seeks feedback about his leadership style and share his experiences. Lastly, we will look at transformational leadership, where leaders motivate their employees to create new ideas and reach their full potential. During a company-wide initiative, Mike works with his team to find ways to improve workflow and encourages creative problem solving. In summary, the different styles of leadership transactional, charismatic, servant, participative, authoritarian, laissez-faire, situational, bureaucratic, authentic, and transformational each have their own strengths. By understanding and using these styles, leaders like Mike can effectively guide their teams to achieve great results. Thank you for joining us to explore leadership styles today.